morning, first graders. Miss Kyler here with Number Corners. Now, for today, as always, we start our day with predicting what will be on our calendar card for today. Make sure you are looking at the pattern between the fractions and the animals. Go ahead, take a second, look at that calendar, and make your prediction. Okay, first grader, let's go ahead and see if your prediction was correct for our calendar card. Did you predict that there would be 4 little mice? Today's card shows 4 little mice. Let's look at yesterday's calendar card so that we can come up with a sentence. We see that the pizza is cut into fourths. That's perfect for our little mice. We now know that fourths are when something is cut into 4 different parts or broken into 4 different parts, and they're all equal. They're all the same. So we could say for our picture with our mice and our pizza, we could say for dinner, the mice shared a pizza. They all got a fourth of a pizza, or we could say a quarter of the pizza too. Now let's go ahead and say our date for today. Now we always start with the day of the week, and today is Wednesday, November 18th, 2020. Let's say that together one more time. Wednesday, November 18th, 2020. Now we're going to say our days in the week, and we know we always start at Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Now we know from our calendar that today is Wednesday. Now use your first grade reading skills and read this with me. Yesterday was. Yesterday was Tuesday. Now let's go ahead and use those same reading skills. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Good job, first graders. Now let's keep it going. And we have our months of the year. And we always start at the very first month of the year, which is January. And we go all the way to this month where we stop. And we can start at January. Let's go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Now we know that November is the 11th month of the year. Now let's go ahead and write our date, and we can write it 2 different ways. The first way is with the month's number, and November is the 11th month. And today is the 18th, and our year is 2020, but you all know me way too well by now. And you know I am not going to write all 4 digits. I'm only going to write the 2 last digits, that 2 and that 0. And now I'm going to write the abbreviation. That's when we take a longer word and we make it smaller. So here's the abbreviation for November. And our date is the 18th, comma, 2020, all 4 digits now. Okay, first graders, you know this is my favorite part. How many days have we been learning together? We have been learning together. Can you believe it? Yesterday was 52 days. Today is a brand new day, so we have to add one more square. So we see that these are groups of 10, so we're going to count by 10 to figure out how many days we've been learning together so far. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53. Okay, we've been learning together for 53 days. Oh my gosh, that's so many, so fast. It does not even seem like that. Well, now Miss Collier is going to write that 2-digit number, and I'm going to spell 53. So here is how we write the number 53, and here's how we write the word 53. And we know that this is a two-digit number, one number in the tens place and one number in the ones place. So here is our number in the tens place is our 5, and the number in our ones place is our 3. And I'm going to continue with our fact families for this month. And we know that 5 tens, that's these tens bars, 5 of those makes the number 50, plus 3 ones hanging out over here makes 3, and 50 plus 3 makes 53. So let's go ahead and keep going. We're just going to switch that order, move that 3 over here and move that 50 over there. And we know 3 plus 50 makes 53. Now, all together is 53. So let's go ahead and do the subtraction problems. When we do those subtraction problems, our 53 goes in the front. That's our product. That is the altogether. The altogether is 53. Let's go ahead and take away 3, and that's going to equal 50 because we're using the same numbers. Okay, so let's keep going. We bring that 53 here. We're going to switch that 50 over here and move that 3 right over there. Let's keep going, first graders. Okay, first graders, you know that for all of November, we are collecting hours of time. And on yesterday, we had 6 o'clock. We know now that this is our minute hand and this is our hour hand. The short one is the hour hand, the long one is the minute hand. Our minute hand is going to move one whole hour, and that is all the way around the clock. And let's see where our hand lands. Let's travel around that clock one whole hour. So we see that our minute hand is still on the 12 and our hour hand is now on the 7. So we can say that this is 7 o'clock. Now looking at our clock here, we are all done with this hour. We're all done with the 6 o'clock hour. So I'm going to go ahead and color that in. All done with this. We don't need it. We are now at 7 o'clock. No more 6 o'clock. No more. So now, first graders, I'm going to go ahead and show you how we write 7 o'clock on our digital clock. And I'm going to circle my new hour because we collected another hour. And let's take a look and see how it looks on another digital clock. 7, there's my hour hand pointing to the 7 and my minute hand pointing to the 12. Now let's take a look at 7 o'clock on a digital clock. So first graders, we have now collected 7 whole hours. I want for you to continue working with your time and going on to do your class kick assignment. I will see you later. Bye-bye.